Greetings from Drevvikens Naturistbad, Drevvikens Nudist beach in this wonderful nature reserve of Flatten on the lake Drevviken itself. It is marked as Naturistbad or this beach on Google Maps, and I have been to this place several times before, and I'm showing you now once again on my channel Beach Adventures with Chris. So to get here it took me 9.5 kilometers from my home, approximately 22-23 minutes. It's a very nice road that I have, and I came here with my Scott gravel bike. And we have a wonderful sunny day in Stockholm with 19 degrees Celsius in the air and the exact same temperature in Lake Drevviken, 19 degrees Celsius. And it looks absolutely amazing, and I'm looking so much forward to this swim in the lake on this 3rd of September 2024. Day is today, and that means that it is time for beach day number 130. Let me double check on my phone. 138, correct. So we are soaking up the sun, and I am ready for another beach adventure and another swim. So yeah, the sun is back after being a bit cloudy yesterday, and it's gonna be warm in the upcoming 10 days at least. So September will offer nice weather, and hopefully we can continue the beach adventures also on the sea for the weekend. But yes, happy Tuesday from Drevvikens Naturistbad, Naturiststrand, and let's then get going. So last time I actually jumped from jetty, but I almost touched the ground. Actually I touched the ground, but it wasn't that much tricky also. So now I'm gonna go in from the rocks over there, as it is more safe as such. But the water looks so clean and so amazing. It's so beautiful indeed. Perfect way to spend the lunchtime here in Stockholm with a swim in the lake Drevviken. So let's then get going and get wet in the lake. But I just really love this type of natural beaches that you usually get to have it on for yourself, as there are so many of these around whole Stockholm region, and it is basically perfect indeed. Right, we have here also some lake plants at the beginning, so we're gonna pass them by and enjoy then with a swim on this beautiful day, 3rd of August at Drevvikens Naturistbad in Stockholm. Let's go! Amazing. The water is amazing, especially when now it is the same temperature in the lake as in the air. It's absolutely stunning. Look at my view right now. Isn't it the best? Only in Sweden, ladies and gentlemen, you can find this piece of nature and this wonderful nudist beach spot in Stockholm, Sweden. Right, on the other side we can find Skruva area, and close by is also the border between Stockholm, Tyresö and Haninge, the 3 municipalities part of Stockholm region. And yeah, so this is Lake Drevviken, but only around few hundred meters in that direction, it is another lake, Vatten, that I have shown you many times before as well on my channel. So that's about it. So many lakes to choose from in Stockholm. It is so nice to explore different lakes every day as well. It's water everywhere. Stockholm is built on water, literally. And Sweden has also a very long coast on the Baltic Sea, and then also on the other side towards the North Sea and the ocean. And lakes, there are thousands and thousands of lakes. I will try to make sure to find the exact number and tell you in one of my next episodes. Right then, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Drevviken Naturistbad in Stockholm, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.